All right, guys, we're looking here at lesson 15, puzzle 9, 10, helps if you can read. So again, lesson 15, puzzle 10, and when we look at the picture we've got here, we can see this stair-step structure, and this stair-step structure is one we'll see in a lot of puzzles like this because it's a repeated pattern that we can use and that we can manipulate and function pretty well in. That's number one. Number two, the second thing I'd like you to see is that collect all the corn and lettuce, then pick the pumpkin. So the pumpkin is the end, and that's the only place we'll see a pumpkin. So we can make our code repeat until we get to that pumpkin. And this is something we've done in some other ones. So I'm going to bring in a repeat until there are pumpkins block. And right away, so I don't forget, at the end of that, after I repeat until there's a pumpkin, I'm going to pick a pumpkin. Because when I get to the pumpkin, the last thing I need to do is make sure that pumpkin gets picked. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is think about this. I've got basically a pattern that's going to repeat over and over again. And that pattern is forward, turn right, forward, turn left. And that forward, right, forward, left pattern has to be repeated over and over again as I'm working through this puzzle. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to bring in a forward, turn right, and then move forward. And once I've moved forward, now I'm on that plant, and I'm going to turn left before I do anything else also. So forward, right, forward, left. That is my stair-step pattern. Forward, right, forward, left. Now I'm ready to do that next forward, right, forward, left, and continue going down that stair-step. But there's other things to do. And what is it? I'm going to check. Do I have corn? Do I have lettuce? Right? If there is corn, I want to pick the corn. If there is lettuce, I want to pick the lettuce. And again, because I'm using these while loops, it'll pick all the corn or all the lettuce. Now, I don't need to do anything else because after I've checked this first corn or lettuce, the next thing is forward right, forward left. Check for corn and lettuce. Forward right, forward left, check for corn and lettuce. Keep going through that pattern over and over again until I get to the pumpkin, in which case I'll pick the pumpkin. Let's see if this works. I went forward and picked. Everything's working out. I get to the pumpkin and I pick the pumpkin. So again, that code worked pretty well. If you were having trouble with puzzle 10, hopefully this helped you out a little bit. It's really all I got to say about it. If you've got questions and this video didn't help you, make sure you send me an email. I'll do everything I can to help you get to where you need to be. That's it, guys.